Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix network issues on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to restore stable internet and calling connections. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.